Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 22nd August 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, think about who has come to teach you, and you will have goose pimples of happiness. The highest on high Father is teaching you. Never stop studying such a study. Question. What faith have you children now developed? What is the sign of those who have faithful intellects? Answer. You now have the faith that you are studying this study to become double-crowned kings of kings. God Himself is teaching you and making you into the masters of the world. You have now become His children. Therefore, you should now become busy in this study. Just as small children don't like to go to anyone except their parents, so you too have found the unlimited Father, and should therefore not like to go to anyone else. You should have remembrance of that one alone. Song is, Who has come in the early hours of the morning? Essence for Dharana. First is, God Himself, as the Supreme Teacher, is teaching us. Therefore, study very well and follow His directions. Second is, have such yoga with the Father that you accumulate the power of silence. Conquer the world with the power of silence. Become pure from impure. Blessing for today. May you be a master bestower and bestow of blessings and surrender your time and thoughts to doing service. Details are, now, instead of using your time in trivial matters for yourself, for your body, for your mind, for your spiritual endeavor or for fulfilling responsibilities in relationships, surrender it to doing this service. Now celebrate this surrender ceremony. Let there be love for doing service in every breath, and remain absorbed in doing service. By engaging yourself in doing service, you will automatically receive a gift for self-progress. Benefit of the self is merged in world benefit. Therefore, become a constant, great donor, a master bestower and bestower of blessings. Slogan is, Reduce your desires and your problems will then reduce. Om Shanti. Avyakt signals. In order to be an easy yogi, become experienced in God's love. In a worldly way, when two people are in love with one another, you can tell by their face, their eyes and their words, that they are lost in love, as lovers. In the same way, when you go onto a stage, to the extent that the Father's love has emerged from you, accordingly, arrows of love will strike souls and wound them with love.